Hey, grade 7's really quick video here looking at question number 10 from 1.3. So imagine you got a question like this. A garden with an area of 100 square meters is to be divided into 25 equal plots. What is the dimension of one side of a plot? So let's take a look at this. Let's break it down. Imagine there's a communal garden that's 100 square meters. So it's a pretty realistic question, and there's 25 tenants, and every tenant wants to have their own little square plot. So we're looking at like everybody gets their own little square plot, like that, right? And what we're actually looking for is the dimension of one side of one plot, or this side of the plot. That's what the question is actually asking us for. So it's a division question. If you're stuck like, well, how do I know this is a division question? Imagine you had like 10 liters of water, and you had 5 students, and every student wanted an equal share. Well, you're going to divide by 5, right? You're going to take 10 liters, you're going to divide by 5, you're going to say every kid would get 2 liters. By the same token, you've got 100 square meters, so what are you going to divide by to find out the area of one of the plots? Because there's going to be 25 of them, right? So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 of them. I need to find the area of one of them first of all. That's our first step. So you can divide by 25. When you divide by 25, you find out that every little square plot has an area of 4 square meters. So, but again, the question is not asking for what is the dimension of the plot, the area of the plot. It's looking for the dimension of one side of the plot. So I want this right there. What's the relationship between the area and the length of one side? And hopefully you remember that you take the square root of the area and you get the length of one side. So the dimensions for each plot are 2 by 2. So just to review, you had 100 square meters, you had to divide it into 25 plots, equal plots, so everybody gets 4 square meters. 4 square meters, when you break it down, is, first of all, it's a perfect square. I hope you guys recognize that. It's a dimension. The dimensions would be 2 by 2. Now sometimes this could be decimals. You could have, you divide it by a different number and you come up with 5 meters squared. The same process applies. To find out the length of one side, all you do is the square root of 5, and you get a number with a decimal. Hope that helps, guys.